It's honestly shocking, but a mouse can squeeze through a hole the size of a dime. Hey guys, this is Nate with Green Haven Pest Control in Crawfordsville, Indiana, and today we're going to be talking about pest-proofing your home for the fall. Pests are actively looking for somewhere warm to stay over the winter, and your home is usually their first choice. Today we're going to turn your questions into an actionable checklist. This is our ultimate fall pest-proofing guide. If you haven't already, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel as it helps us out a ton. Question 1. What is the single most important thing I can do to keep pests out this fall? That's a great question, and the answer is surprisingly simple. Seal up the cracks around your home. This is your first line of defense. It's honestly shocking, but a mouse can squeeze through a hole the size of a dime. Spiders and ants need even less space. If there's a hole, they're gonna find it. Pay attention to where utility lines enter the home and try to seal those gaps up. Question 2. I love opening my windows in the fall. How do I do that without letting bugs in? You should be able to enjoy the fall breeze without letting a ton of pests into your home. The best solution is a window screen that doesn't have any large holes in it. Go around to every window or door in the house and make sure all your screens are in good condition. Question 3. My yard is right up against my house. Does that create a pest problem? It definitely can. Pests use your landscaping as a ladder into your home. We think it's best practice to create kind of a buffer zone between your home and the landscaping outside. We like to keep trees and bushes a couple feet away from the house at a minimum. And if you have stacked firewood near the house, move it as far away as possible. Once that wood starts to get damp, it'll attract all kinds of pests, and the closer it is to your home, the more likely you are to attract termites to your home. Question 4. I've heard cleaning my gutters helps. Is that really about pests? Clogged gutters are full of moisture, and the number one thing that attracts pests is moisture. When that water from your gutters overflows and pools next to your foundation, that'll start to attract a ton of pests. Keep your gutters clean and make sure they're flowing away from the house. Question 5. We're getting ready to bring in our fall decorations from the shed. Any advice? Making sure you're inspecting any boxes or any other materials that you're bringing in for spiders or spider eggs is the best way to keep pests out of your home. Just take a quick peek at everything you're bringing in to make sure that you're not bringing in any unwanted guests. Following this checklist should make a huge difference for the amount of pests that you're going to see this winter. But if you've done all this and you're still seeing signs of pests, go ahead and give us a call. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.